Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to DIY a cutting mat, but how? Let me tell you. If you have an old paperboard like this, you can definitely make your own cutting mat at home. So I was having a old paperboard and I have removed the clips from the upper side. I have covered the holes with the help of the wall putty, and here I am sanding the extra part of the wall putty with the help of a sandpaper. And now we are going to paint the board with the help of the green color. So here I am using the sap green, the light green and some black color to make the exact color of the cutting mat. Now I have colored all the board, but we should not have to forget the edges. So here I have properly colored the paperboard, and now I am placing the graph paper on the paperboard, and some part was left, so I cut another piece and placed it just after the another paper. And then I secured the paper with the help of the tape, and now I am just going to mark the edges. Firstly, I was going to mark it according to the centimeters, but then I marked it according to the inches. So the bigger squares are of 1 into 1 inch, and the small squares are the half of it. And now I'm just going to paint it. So you have to take a brush with the thin tip. I was not having the white gel pen, so I have to paint it with only the white acrylic paint. So it was very difficult to paint it just with the brush, so I have to use some techniques. I used one of the technique from Painter Lecturer Priya and made these lines. Let me tell you. So I just taped two brushes, one on the back side and one on the front side, and I just took the scale, placed the scale on the board, and I just make the lines like this. So here I was removing one of the line because I thought that it is a little bit thicker than other lines. So I thought that I should just erase it. You would be thinking that why the backside color is not being removed, but there is a simple thing behind it, that once the acrylic color is dried, it will not be removed with the water. cutting mat is completely ready and you can just see how real it is looking, and I think anyone cannot make a difference between a real one and this one. You can definitely try it, and as well as it is hard enough to heal the cutter. Now let's just try to cut something. So I just took that one paper which I used at starting and just tried to cut it. And you can just see how beautiful it is just cutted, and I don't think any mark is not there on the cutting mat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends.